Mm. You know, you can put them, use a dipping sauce with them. Mmm. Or eat them just like that. And I choose to eat them just like that. If you've not had fried green tomatoes, gotta get some. So, let's get this mukbang started. Hello, my karma babies. How are you today? Oh my goodness, do we have a delicious meal today? We have shrimp, and more shrimp. Look at that. We have fried shrimp. We have shrimp scampi right there in the middle. And we have some good old fried green tomatoes. Yes, fried green tomatoes right out of my garden. And I can't wait to dig in. Okay, so first of all, let's set it up so that I can make sure that you guys can see everything. And I also have some regular white saltine crackers. That's what I'm used to eating with my shrimp. And we have some lemon water to quench our thirst. I needed that. Okay, guys, I also have some hot sauce. That's all I'm gonna use. No butter, no sauce, nothing. We're just gonna use some good old hot sauce and eat some crackers. And that's what we're gonna do with our, oh my goodness, look at that. That is going to be so good, and I am so hungry. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope that you can see me really good. The sun went down, it got really cloudy. So, and then I recognized that, you know, I really wanted my office to be out here on the porch because I'm surrounded by windows, but you know, they're basically tinted. So I don't know how much direct sunlight that you really get with me. But hey, anyway, let's get started. I have some shrimp that I fried myself. I peeled them, deveined them, the whole works. And I fried them. And then I have some here that I did like a beautiful shrimp scampi. Look at that. And then we have you ever had any fried green tomatoes? If you've not had fried green tomatoes, gotta get some. So, let's get this mukbang started. I'm so hungry. Yummy, yum, yum. So good, guys. If you have never had any fried green tomatoes, you gotta get some. They are delicious. Oh, where's that one that I had? Let's finish it off. You know, you can put them, use a dipping sauce with them. Or eat them just like that. And I choose to eat them just like that. By the way, guys, remember what I told you? If you came in the middle of this video and you don't know quite what we're having, guess what? It's on the menu board. We are having shrimp scampi, fried shrimp, and fried green tomatoes. Yes, right on the menu board. If you want to know what we're having. So, look at that shrimp. All of this I cooked myself. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Mmm. 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 So good. Guys, can you hear my cat? That's Clyde. If you're new, you don't know about Clyde. But whenever I come out here to do a mukbang, Clyde, you hear him because, like I said earlier, I think Clyde thinks I'm talking to him. Mmm. So good. Mmm. 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 You know, food is just so amazing. Here's some of our shrimp scampi. Cooked it in butter and garlic. Butter and garlic. And I'm about to dig in. Mmm. Mm, mm. You know, the skin has so much flavor. And I like to just chew on that, so look at that. Mmm. You know, someone asked me to not talk when I have food in my mouth, but hey, I don't really see that happening too much because I like to tell you stories while I'm eating. I mean, if you're sitting down with your grandma or anybody else having a meal, you talk. And you don't always wait till you don't have food in your mouth. So I'm sorry if it grosses you out. I'm really sorry, but I don't know how to talk and interact with you without eating, and you get the point. You get that point. Anyhow, let me tell you about why, I eat the saltines with my shrimp. Wait. Woo. Mmm. Mmm. Fried shrimp. So good. When I was growing up on the west side of Chicago, a big treat was, to get shrimp. To get shrimp, that was a major thing. And when Thomas and I were dating, he would come and get me, and we go to the shrimp shack and get a bag of, you know, you get them by the bag, get a bag of fried shrimp. And we always ate crackers with them. Always. And that was 50 years ago. And I still eat my shrimp the same way. Now, shrimp scampi. So good. You just bite. I eat the skin and all. What I can't eat, I take it out. Oh, let's have another fried green tomato. Fried green tomato, look at that. Somebody called me from San Francisco, guys. I have no clue. So we're just gonna stop that right away. You know, telemarketers, they just call you. So good. So good. Is that nut pie? I think it is. Fried green tomatoes. So good. Did I give you a good close-up of mine? Hope you can see that. Fried green tomatoes, shrimp scampi, and fried shrimp. Sometimes the presentation don't always come across on camera, but I hope you can see. Yeah. So good. It's going to be hard for me to not talk when I have food in my mouth, because when I do my mukbangs, I have food in my mouth most of the time. And I wanted this to be a very special shout out video. I don't want to wait to the end. I want to shout it out while we're eating. Some great YouTubers, excuse me, that I've met while I've been doing my mukbangs. And it's a beautiful, beautiful community of people. And some of them are mukbangers, some of them are, you know, they cook and they share their videos. Just wait a minute. See, lipstick. Sorry about that, guys, but shrimp. Fried green tomatoes. But let me give these folks a shout out. Now, none of them even know that I'm doing this. I just want to give recognition where recognition is due. These are wonderful people that I interact with, and I want to share them with you guys. It's not by any means everyone, and I'm sorry if I miss anyone. I'll get you in the next, shout out mukbang. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of these people right now, and let you know the special place that they all, each and every one of them, hold in my heart. And why, okay? First person on my list is Too Nappy. Hey, Too Nappy. Hey, David. They're a wonderful married couple. They do mukbangs. Too Nappy is into hair, makeup, all kinds of different talents she has. She does amazing cooking videos. Her and David are a married couple. They're wonderful Christian people. And I'm honored to know them. Recently, I needed prayer, and I called her, asked for prayer, and Too Nappy, you delivered. She is amazing. I love her. I feel like I've known her forever. And guys, go over to her channel, show her some love. I'm going to put her link right in the description box. They're not in order of the way that I view them, but I watch their videos on a daily basis. So, another YouTuber that I really admire is BLOVESLIFE. She's got some seafood mukbangs that, oh my goodness. You love seafood? You'll love her videos. She's got an amazing family, her husband and her son, Darius. Darius, let me tell you, you remind me of my grandson. You're just as handsome as he is. Well, maybe not quite all the way, but you are amazing. I subscribe to Darius' channel as I subscribe to BLOVESLIFE. She's a great cook. Her husband is so supportive. He's wonderful. They're a family channel, and you can't go wrong when you go to their channel. They show a lot of love to a lot of people, and she's very caring. She gives advice to other mukbangers without expecting anything back from them. She just tries to help other mukbangers because her channel is so successful, and she'll just come to your channel and give you little tidbits of advice. So take those little tidbits of advice and run with it. Okay. Another mukbanger that I watch on a daily basis is LADYTSENSATION. Oh my goodness. I love her mukbangs. She goes with the claws. When she loves her foods, she goes like this because her foods really animates her, and I love the way that she enjoys her foods. I love when she's eating with her mom and her brother. Her mom, her name is Miss Peggy, and I tell you, Miss Peggy, hats off to you, lady. You are amazing and a wonderful woman of wisdom. I am an avid subscriber of yours, a big thumbs up, and your advice is always right on point. I have so many guys that if I miss anybody, I will really try to get you in the next video. A view is a view. Man, does she tell it like it is. She is down to earth. She tells it like it is. She takes no prisoners. If you watch her channel, you be prepared, okay? Grub with Cherise. I watch every single video that she puts out. Just like the other ones, I watch all of their videos. I try to support them. I like their videos. I share their videos because I know how hard it is to produce this, and I love them. Cherise has a husband who's supportive. He's done a few mukbangs with her. A beautiful daughter. A lovely, handsome son. And she's a working mom and producing videos. And her mukbangs be right on point. Go show her some love, Karma babies. Go show her some love. A new mukbanger who's starting out but who's very persistent. She shares her breakfast, lunch, and dinners with you guys. Is Lynn Holla One. Lynn, girl, I am glad I do not live near you because I would be eating all day long. She makes awesome meals at home and she shares them with us, and I think that's pretty doggone amazing. Another mukbanger who is a trailblazer, a family man. I love his videos. I pop in and out of, he does a lot of live chats. I pop in when they start getting a little rowdy. I pop out. It's Tasty TV. Yes, Tasty TV. He's awesome. He works really hard. He's really motivated on his channel, and he wants to give new and innovative content. So guys, let's show him some love too, okay? They all have a dream. They're all trying to achieve goals. And they're all very dedicated, and I know that they're going to achieve those goals. So good, guys. And I read every single comment, because you mean the world to me. Remember, Karma babies, how others treat you is their karma. How you respond is your karma. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.